All right, so as we head out the door, make sure you got the jacket. You're going to need the jacket. Now, I want you to take a look at this. Temperatures this morning, we're sitting in the lower 40s. We were at 40. We're now at 43, kind of bouncing around a little bit. But here's the leading edge of that Arctic air now pushing through the northern plains. The temperature at Billings at this second, 4 degrees. Up at Bismarck, 0, and that's just the leading edge. This is some really cold stuff that's going to be pushing southward. Wow, what a beautiful sunrise. Temperature right now, 40 degrees, normal low 41. We're pretty close to our low for the morning. Record low, in 1918, they were dealing with some Arctic air, got down to 12 on that date. All right, look at that. You know what? I'm ruining the shot. Let me get out of the way there. That's really nice. All right, temperatures today, lots of sunshine. Highs will be in the mid 70s. I think we'll hit about 74. We do have some dense fog advisories in effect for Guadalupe County, Wilson County, down to Atascosa County, and then east and southeastward. If you're driving in that direction, make sure and take it easy because there's a lot of fog this morning. Okay, this is not for today. This is for tomorrow. Cold front comes in, and is it going to be windy? Wind advisory is in effect. I'm expecting winds to gust to 45 miles per hour tomorrow. Tomorrow there is a fire weather watch for the counties in brown, and these golden counties or darker counties, they're down to the South Cotulla and Tilden. I'm expecting winds to gust up to 55 miles per hour. So there's a wind warning, a high wind warning there. All right, fog just to the south and east does include a little bit of southeastern portions of Bexar County. Randolph has come down just a bit, 6-mile visibility there. 0 towards Gonzales, half a mile Beeville, down around Pleasanton, about 1/4 of a mile. So again, if you're traveling south or you're traveling east, matter of fact, I would probably wait till after 9 o'clock. It'll be a lot better then. Temperatures to the south and east around 50. What a difference in temperatures. We're close to 50 or lower 50s to the south and east, but look at the hill country. A little bit of a light freeze where you see that pink color there. We're sitting at 40 at the airport. Uvalde's at 36. There's not much of a wind chill because there's not much wind. Temperatures this afternoon again in the 70s, but if you're flying anywhere to the north, pack in that suitcase, pack the parka, because you are going to need it. Pack the parka up there. I think that's what they say up in Green Bay. Anyway, look at those temperatures, like -1 up there at Bismarck, and that's for a high temperature. -40, anytime it gets to -40 in Yellowknife, almost no matter what the pattern does, this cold air is coming south, just by the sheer density difference. Now, this is really interesting. The global computer models, they don't have the resolution to resolve this cold air coming this far south, because what happens, it literally gets more and more shallow. When it gets here, it's only a couple of thousand feet thick, and these computer models just aren't good enough. So a couple of days ago, I was saying, watch out, this cold air is coming Sunday, and I am pretty certain that it's coming on Sunday, and Sunday is going to be a really cold day, so keep that in mind. Okay, I'm watching this disturbance as well. Saturday, right here, this is going to come around the bend and give us just enough lift for clouds and some light precipitation on Monday morning. So I wouldn't be surprised Monday morning if you didn't have like a little light coating of ice on rooftops and maybe treetops, but the roads have been so warm, don't have to worry about the roadways at all. And then a northwesterly flow behind that. I think that's the only chance for precipitation is going to be Monday morning. All right, temperatures today topping out in the 70s, and then here comes this frontal boundary towards Houston overnight. Could be some strong to severe thunderstorms, and then it gets windy and chilly for your Friday. In the green section, a very, very slight risk of severe storms overnight, but look at these winds. Winds gusting to 45 tomorrow, 55 down to the south. It is going to be really windy. All right, Cedar is heavy. Pollen count, or I should say the forecast, 65 at noon, high 74, windy and chilly Friday. Cold Saturday morning, nice day, 65. That Arctic air comes on in. I think temperatures in the 30s with a sharp wind, really cold Sunday. And then Monday morning, some freezing drizzle or some light freezing rain. High only 38 in the afternoon, 19 Tuesday morning. And wind chills, how about 5 cold degrees?
That's 4 miserable days.